Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for a special video today. Today is the Piggy Love Valentine's Day collaboration. It is going to be a full day of videos with myself and a bunch of other amazing YouTube artists. So this is going to be an exciting day today. If you saw the previous person, that was Lisa Marvin Art. She was prior to me. After me is Chris Gladdy Art, and I hope I said that right. Sorry, Chris. And then following, so on and so forth. So I hope you guys join us for a fun day of Piggy Love. Everyone is going to be pouring on these heart-shaped boards. All of everyone's pieces are going to be auctioned off. So there's going to be a link in the description below where you can log in or sign up. I'm not really sure how it works just yet, but there's going to be information in the description below where you can bid on the pieces that you see in today's collaboration. And all the pieces are going to be auctioned off, and all the proceeds from all the pieces that are sold are all going to be donated to pig rescues. So that is so amazing. I'm really happy to be a part of this. So thank you to Shelly Art and Fluid Art Co team and everyone else involved in this for inviting me to be a part of this amazing collaboration. So as I mentioned, we've got, I believe this is like a 15-inch heart. And what I've done is I have taped the back of it, all of it, and I have put 2 coats. This is an MDF wood board, and I have put 2 coats of gesso on it. Now, since this is all Valentine's Day themed, I'm going with Valentine's Day colors, pinks and reds. So what I've done, I'm doing something different today. I'm experimenting. First time, haven't done this before, so I don't know, we'll see how it turns out. But what I did, I'll tell you the colors I have first. So I have Quinacridone Rose Light by Amsterdam. Then I have Pyrole Red Deep by Amsterdam, but it's the Expert series, okay? Then I have 24 Karat Gold by DecoArt, and then I have Reflex Rose by Amsterdam. Now, Amsterdam paints, the Expert and Standard series, you can purchase from the Fluid Art Co website. Head on over to Fluid Art Co and you choose the drop-down menu of what country you live in. There's US, Canada, UK, Europe, Australia, whatever. There are countries that you will pick where you live, and then you can purchase these amazing Amsterdam paints. Now, here's what I did. I wanted to add TLP piggies into this, but I wanted to try something today. So what I have here is a TLP Maraschino. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Maraschino or Maraschino? Maraschino, I would assume. And then I have TLP's Fairy Floss. There's powder dropping on here. Okay, so I've got these 2. What I did, okay, here they are here. So what I did, and I don't know if this is going to work, but I figured, you know what? I'm going to try it anyway. So I put some of my Fairy Floss in this cup, and then I wet the pigments with my Jo Sonja. Okay, so I added a little bit Jo Sonja and I mixed it up so that the pigments got wet. Then what did I do? Same thing with this, okay? Then what did I do? I took the Quinacridone Rose Light because they are similar in color, and I put a few, I don't know, 10 drops or so of this in here, okay? And I did the same with the Pyrole Red. So I wanted to add some paint into this for binder, you know, just to make it a little thicker. And I don't need much because this is a small board. So I'm wondering how this is going to work. So let's try it out. I'm experimenting today. So I'm putting these aside because I don't need them because, whoa, I almost dropped it because I have them in here. All right. So this should be interesting. I don't know if it's going to work. It might not. But I'm going to try it anyway. Oh my goodness. Why is this so hard to open? Ow. Okay, so by the way, my base is Amsterdam's Titanium White, okay? And my paints in these bottles, right? And these are mixed with Floetrol and water, all right? So I'm going to flood this pretty heart. And I might speed you guys up while I flood it, so I'll be right back. All right, so I've got the heart flooded, so let's get started with this. Now, I don't really know how I'm gonna do this because I do have this hole here, but let's see if I go, oh boy, I guess kind of start and do like a this way and kind of this way. Yeah, okay, I think I'll do that. All right, so let's start with the fairy floss. And let's go like this. And then, I don't know, kind of like this. And see what happens. Might as well use it all up. We'll see how it works. I don't know. I don't know how this is going to work. I'm experimenting. I want to play and have some fun. So let's try this out. All right, now we've got the Maraschino. Oh, red and pink looks so pretty together. And I went the wrong way. I wanted to do it the other way, but that's okay. It is what it is now. I didn't want the Reflex rose on the top, but now it's going to be on the top whether I like it or not. And we all know gold is going to be so pretty. Ah, I wanted the Reflex rose on the bottom, but that's okay. That is okay. We'll see what happens. Maybe it'll be better this way. Everything happens for a reason, right? All right, so there's the colors. Oh, it's interesting. It's interesting. Okay, I'm gonna pop the bubbles. All right, I don't know. Let's see what happens. Whoa, okay. Wow, look what's happening down here. I hope I don't lose that. I kind of like the way I went this way. Now, you're probably wondering, oh, I don't like this negative space. But wait, I have an idea. And so first, let me fidget with this. I'm really hoping this dries the way it is. And you know what? Now that I'm looking at it, I'm really glad the Reflex was on top. So let me fidget with a few things because you see this, I kind of don't like this. I kind of want a little bit of negative white space there. And there. And there. Okay. Now I want to fix this because I actually want to add some negative space here. So I'm going to, just a little bit, just do this, just a little bit, okay? And I'm gonna add some white right here, like so, okay? And carefully, somehow. Okay, and then I'm going to wipe the side because the white has a bunch of red and pink on it, and you all know me about making sure the sides are proper. Okay. Okay, yeah, see, I like that so much better with the white there. Yay! Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so here is what I'm thinking. I'm gonna let this dry and I'm gonna cross my fingers and toes and everything that it dries exactly like this, because what I want to do is, hold on. If you guys saw some previous videos of mine, you guys all know about my resin flowers that I did using TLP pigments. So, hold on. Let me clear some space on my table so I can put this down. See, I'm a mess today. I'm a mess. I know. So here's what I'm thinking. I can unplug my hairdryer. Once this dries, I'm thinking maybe I could add, let's say, this red rose somewhere. Oh my gosh, don't drop it, Kanella. You know, on this painting. Let this dry. I'm going to resin it and then put flowers on it. I'll be back, okay? I'll be back. Let's move on to the next step. Let's have this dry first and I'll be back. I lied. I got to show you a close-up first before I let it dry. I got to show you guys what it looks like wet. So here it is. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love red and pink. Oh my goodness, it's really, really nice. And there's a lot of shimmer in it. So I'm going to turn the lights off and turn the flash on. And hopefully you guys will see the shimmer that I'm seeing. But this is just stunning. Oh, I love it. I love that cluster of cells at the bottom. Look how pretty it is. All right, let's check it out with the flash on. All right, so I've got the flash on, but it's a really, really bright sunny day here. So, but yeah, you can see the shimmer in the pink? That is your fairy floss. And I'm sure the Maraschino's in here in the red. I love it. So much shimmer. I hope you guys can see this. Wow. I love it. I really, really hope this dries good. Really, really hope this dries really, really well. Look at that. All right, so I'm going to let this dry and then we'll move on to the next step. I'll be back. All right, everybody, I am back. And, you know, I sat and I contemplated for days, no joke, days, on what I should do with this once it dried. And, you know, I played around with some of the flowers and I, you know, had them placed strategically and it just didn't look right to me. I just felt that it took away from the actual Dutch pour and it was just odd. So I decided not to add anything to it. And I wanted to leave it just like this, kind of like a Valentine's Day thing or theme. So yeah, what I did is I resined it, obviously. I'll show you guys the close-up in a minute. But what I'm going to show you guys super quick is how I take off the drips and the tape from the back. So you can see there are ridges there. So I am going to show you guys, I take my heat gun, I heat up the side and the tape will come off super duper smooth like butter. So let's see. All right, so you heat up sections at a time. Let me find the end of the tape here, and just like that, it peels off. So depending on how long you let this sit, you might need to heat it up longer. Usually I peel the tape off the next morning. I always resin in the evening for those of you who know me well, and then by the next morning I'll peel the tape off. But if it's been sitting for a couple of days or a week, you may need to heat it up a little longer. So I'm going to speed you guys up while I take the rest of the tape off of this. And there you have it. So it is done. It is completed. Pretty clean on the back. I'm going to stamp, date it, and sign it. And that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm trying to get some of the nice pretty glare in there for you guys. Maybe I'll put it on the floor and do a close-up for you guys. Yeah, let's do that. All right, everybody. So I kind of wish it was a sunny day so that I can put this out in the sun and show you guys how much this actually shimmers. But unfortunately, it's a gloomy, cloudy, snowy day. But nonetheless, this is what it looks like, finished, dried, and completed. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed my portion of this collaboration, and off to the next person, which is Chris, and you'll go check out his videos and so on and so forth. And again, all the information you need to know regarding the auction and all the information of where the proceeds are going, all that is going to be in the description below this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.